So over here, you can see that I got some different chats right here. And let's say what I want to actually do is I want to go ahead and add them out in a project as a collection. So to do that, if I were to click on the three dot button, you can see that add to project is an option. If I were to go ahead and click, you can see that right now there's no project. So let me just go around over here onto project and create a new project. And let me just name it academic research right here, just like this. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and say experiment, let's say for example over here, and then I'm going to go ahead and create out a project. So here what I can do now is click on the three dot button and then click on add to project, and whatever project you have, it'll show up right here. So once you go ahead and click, that particular chat will be moved to the project right here. So you can go around over here and then select another chat, click on add to project and select this out right here. You can go around over here, add to project, click on academic research right here, just like this. Go around over here, add to project and click on academic research right here, just like this. So this is basically how you can go ahead and add chat to a particular project. What you can also do is click on the three dot button right here and remove it out from the project as well. For example, you can go around and remove it out from the project and it won't be there anymore. And it goes back to the regular recent chat section itself. So that is basically how you can go ahead and manage out a project by adding chats to and remove chats from project inside of Claude.ai. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe